Hello, body fangs. Welcome to the bush. Guys, a lot of people ask me, there's things in life there that people do and they don't do. Okay, what don't you do? One thing is that they sell at the beach there by the restaurant there. It's called a oyster. Sis. It's like a bolletjie snot over there in a sculpey that you gotta swallow. You can't even bloody chew the thing there. And today, someone there just asked me there from George, have you ever eaten what they call sushi? No. Yeah. Now, sushi back in the day, the Japanese people used to call it, no, fish. Yeah, it looks like this. You can see that. Yeah, that is what they call a Parktown prawnie there with some Worcester sauce and other goodies over there. Now, apparently, they use tannenstokkies like this over here. Can you see that? What happened to a braai tang of just a plain vark? Yeah, look at it. Can you see? Can you see that? Yeah, they've got a little bit of afgesneden peer there, avocado pear there, some Weeks chappies here. Can you see that? And some Worcester sauce. Now, what you need to do is you need to take a little bit of this goodness over here. Can you see? There's it. Okay, I think that's a little bit too much. Okay, yeah. And then you take a little bit of... No, that's still too much. Gevrekkie so vandag. Okay, then you take the Weeks chappies here and you put it here by the top there, okay? Nee, like that. Can you see that? Can you see? Okay, and then you take your tannenstokkies here and you dip it. You like grip it like this. Like a klein rooikop laaitjie met sproete wat gevang is sigaret steel. You grab it around the neck like this, okay? And you dip it here by the Worcester sauce. And you gotta like fruit it. That's not avocado pear, that. It burns you by the nostrils, you make my eye watery. Soos 'n klein skoolaaitjie wat sy girlfriend nou net opgebreek. But it's moist. Mag sy my goed brand. Not too bad, eh? Okay, thanks.